Welcome to this short tutorial by the Library Service introducing our new library catalogue, Library Search Online, and how to search it to find the resources you would like to borrow. So firstly, what is a library catalogue? Well, a library catalogue is an extensive list of all the books and other resources such as DVDs, CDs, magazines that a library or library service owns. The RNN Library Service catalogue is called Library Search Online, and you can use it to search for resources you want to borrow from any of our libraries. This tutorial will demonstrate how to complete a search and understand the results list, which will in turn help you to find and take out the resources you need. So first things first, how do you find it? Library Search Online is available at the URL you can see on the screen now. So all you have to do is type this into your web browser or address bar and it will take you to the home page. You will also find links on your subject LibGuide and on the RNN Library Service website. You can use it both on campus and working off-site. You do not need a username or password to search, but you can use your Google login details to view your account. We will look at this though in a separate tutorial. Once you have visited the URL or address, you'll be able to start searching from the home page, which looks like this. It has a search bar at the top, links to other library resources and drop-downs to help you search, which we'll go through now. On the left-hand side, you will see the drop-down, and this is showing catalogue. This means any search you carry out will search the whole catalogue. If you click on the drop-down, it allows you to search for specific things such as a title, an author or an ISBN if you have those details to hand. But today we will select catalogue and search the whole thing. The search bar at the top works like a search bar you would find in any search engine. So you type in the word or words you are looking for and then click go to see a list of results. The drop down on the right allows you to narrow down your search to a particular library, or you can search for resources in all the libraries, which we will look at today. Clicking go will bring you to a results list, and this presents a list of all the resources we own which match the words of your search. Each title is highlighted in blue as it's a link, so you can scroll down the list until you find the resource you're looking for or are interested in, then click on it to find out more details. You will see the record or details for the resource you have selected, and this includes the author details, the ISBN, and publisher and publication details. At the bottom, you will see details about our holdings. Holdings means the copies of the resource that we own. So in this example, we have one copy of Eat Up, Food for Children of All Ages. We can see it's currently on the shelves in the Clifton Library, and it has a class number of 613.2 HIX. This is the number the book will have on the spine to help you locate it on the shelves. And finally, its status is available, which means it's available or free for you to borrow. If the status says issued, this means it is already being borrowed by another user. It will therefore tell you the date it is due back in the far right-hand column. Books that are already issued or other items can be reserved, and we will cover how to do this in the tutorial on accessing your account. We hope you found this tutorial useful, and it will help you to search our catalogue, Library Search Online, and look at the results list to help you find resources. Look out for future tutorials on how to use advanced search and how to log into your account. Thanks for watching.